Hey guys, welcome to my videos. It's New Year Eve and I'm staying at Clifton Victoria Hill Hotel at Niagara Falls. I'm going to give you the full tour of the hotel, but just first I'm showing you the parking. So parking for the hotel is at the back side, not at the front. We'll go to front also. And it's just next to Country Inn, and it's just like two stops away, two intersections away from Clifton Hill where all the attractions are there. So the location is too good, and they have ample parking here. Still there are like so many empty parking spots I see over here, and today is a very snowy night. So this is the back side of the hotel. Okay, I'll take you from front too, but thing is that the hotel does not have any parking at front. So you can come from front and you can stop there and you can unload your luggage. But if you really want to park at the property, you have to come back. Okay, see, this is an exit that they have blocked, but there's another exit just behind this where they have, and there are so many public parking places here. So there's no shortage of parking here. Just you see there, that way goes to USA near Skyline, and it's full of public parking over there. I'm gonna give you more tour of the property. It's a snowy night, right? Do you like it? I do. And lot of hotels are on this street if you follow in any directions, and lot of restaurants too. You see casino is just visible from here, Skyline is visible from here, and even Rainbow Bridge is just like walkable from here if you want to go to USA. So lot of guests from USA have come here, as I see their license plates. Like a lot of license plates I found from registered in the USA. I took perhaps wrong turn, but that's okay. I can come like this. I gotta be careful. Okay, so this is the front. Okay, right now you see clearance 8, so you can come here and you can unload your luggage, but there's no parking here. If you want to do parking, you have to go back side. So this is the entrance. Okay, now here at the entrance left, there is a reception, and then there's a dining area. Okay, and they do provide complimentary breakfast, so it's really good. Okay, and a lot of tables are. This is left is the reception, and there's an ATM here. Okay, and they have a Tiffany guest house. Okay, these are washrooms here. Like you have washrooms in your room also, of course. Oh, what else they have? This is the gift shop. It's closed at 8:30, but I can still get a sneak peek. Yeah, they have a lot of t-shirts, jackets, caps, other things. And these are the rooms. Okay, I don't want to go inside anyone else's room, of course not. Just next here is the dining area, and morning there's gonna be breakfast. I'll upload a video of the breakfast too. And because tables are here, so many people are dining in, as you can see. Now just next to the dining area there's a pool. I don't want to take you to the pool. This is temperature controlled, but because it's like a pool area, so I don't want anyone to feel uncomfortable if I do here. Okay, now I took you to the lift area. They're like okay, lifts look like slightly old. By the time lift comes up, they have a vending machine too here. And what have they got? Coke, Pepsi, Canada Dry, and some other items. Okay, but I don't want to buy. Okay, so they have after hour protection too. So if you want to come out at 9 p.m, you should carry your room key. Okay, that card, so that you have no issue in entering. There's staircases also here if you go around here, if you don't want to take the lift, but I want to show the lift too. That's why I'm waiting. So I'm in the lift. It's okay. So there are total 6 floors on one side. On other side there are only 4. So on the 6th floor side they have smaller rooms. On the other side where they have 4 floors, they are like big rooms with balconies. I have not taken those. I have taken small. I can give you a view from here because I'm not covering swimming pool, because I respect everyone's privacy. You see Christmas tree, and if I zoom, you see this road, and just let me put a finger behind this. If you see, there's a casino, and that street takes to Rainbow Bridge. So it's pretty like near. It's like pretty near to USA, almost at the USA Canada border. Okay. So this was the whole tour. I have shown you front entrance, back entrance, reception, eating area, everything. Let me know what you feel about it. I'll show you the what do you call breakfast also tomorrow. So thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.